Hi everyone! So today is Toddler Tuesday and we are here with Maivy, our friend Maivy. Maivy, can you say hi to them?
Hi.
Today we are doing watercolor resist with oil. So we're going to use a little dropper that has oil, and you can use whatever type of oil you have in the house. Just the cheap watercolor stuff that you can get anywhere. Paintbrush and watercolor paper. So Maivy, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pick out some colors that you want to paint with, and you're going to paint this paper, okay? So we've got to get your brush wet first. And then you have to get your color wet. And you just put it on here. Okay. So let's do it again. Make sure you get some more water on there. And you'll have to use a lot of water for this project with the watercolor on it, because you want to take the oil after you put the watercolor on there, and it'll disperse and make like a different, almost like a marbled look to it. But we've got to do more. So you have to get this super, super saturated with a bunch of color, okay? Just keep on. Okay? Keep on adding.
Like that. Okay. It's cool. Oh.
All right, thank you so much for joining us for Toddler Tuesday. Maivy and I say bye.
Bye.
And check us out below.